Learn how to navigate through a vessel management system to efficiently add and update details about vessels and their crew. This guide provides clear instructions on accessing and managing vessel specifications, crew assignments, and technical information. Start by launching the app and click on the vessel's icon to access vessel information. Use the filter icon to refine the list of vessels based on specific criteria for efficient data viewing. Click the menu icon to access additional options or settings related to vessel management. Click the New button to begin adding a new vessel to your list. List of the vessels and creation of a new one. Select the vessel type field to enter or modify the type of vessel being documented. Click on the flag field to input or update the flag information for the vessel. Vessel type. Access the Specifications tab to view or edit the detailed specifications of the vessel. Enter or edit the owner's information by clicking on the Owner field. Select the Operator Information drop-down menu to change or update the operator details for the vessel. Use the Manager drop-down menu to select or change the manager for the vessel. Edit the builder information by clicking on the Builder field. Select the Hull Type drop-down menu to choose or update the hull type of the vessel. Select the Manager. Click on the Class field to enter or edit the classification information for the vessel. Modify the hull type information by clicking on the Hull Type field. Enter or update the hull material information by clicking on the Hull Material field. Hull material type? Select the LR, Lloyd's Register option to update the classification society for the vessel. Input or edit the displacement value by clicking on the Displacement field. Update or verify the vessel's length information by clicking on the Length field. Review or update the draft measurement by clicking on the Draft Aft field. Update or review the beam measurement by clicking on the Beam field. Enter or update the draft measurement by clicking on the Draft Input field. Edit or input the length overall measurement by clicking on the Length Overall, LOA field. Enter or edit information about the main engine specifications by clicking on the Main Engine field. Main engine type. Edit the vessel's generator information by clicking on the Generator field. Enter or edit the running gear manufacturer information by clicking on the Running Gear Manufacturer field. Input or edit electricity specifications by clicking on the Electricity field. Edit the reduction gear manufacturer information by clicking on the Reduction Gear Manufacturer field. Edit or input information about the propeller type or diameter by clicking on the Prop Type Diameter field. Update or enter information regarding the bottom paint type by clicking on the Bottom Paint Type field. Enter or edit information about the anode type or number by clicking on the Anode Type Number field. View or manage vessel crew information by clicking on the Vessel Crew tab. Review or edit the vessel's length details by clicking on the Length field under the Specifications tab. Enter or edit the crew member's address information by clicking on the street field in the Create Vessel Crew form. Indicate if the crew member is also the builder by clicking the Is Builder checkbox in the Create Vessel Crew form. Enter or review sales and purchase information by clicking on the Sales and Purchase tab. Cancel the current entry or changes by clicking the Discard button in the Create Vessel Crew form. Add a new entry or record under the Vessel Crew section by clicking Add a line. Enter or edit the name of a crew member by clicking on the Foreman Head text field in the Create Vessel Crew form. Input or edit the city information for the crew member by clicking on the city field in the Create Vessel Crew form. Update or enter the job position for a crew member by clicking on the Job Position field in the Create Vessel Crew form. Associate a specific vessel with the crew member by clicking on the Vessel field in the Create Vessel Crew form. Assign a crew member to a specific vessel by selecting Test Vessel 1 from the drop-down menu under the Vessel field. Enter or edit the phone number for the crew member by clicking on the Phone field in the Create Vessel Crew form. Save the entered information for the vessel crew and close the form by clicking the Save and Close button. View or update information related to the vessel's cargo and capacity by clicking on the Cargo and Capacity tab.